Welcome to today's news. RRB Technician Grade 1 Answer Key 2024 released. Download from official website. The Railway Recruitment Board has released the RRB Technician Answer Key 2024 Grade 1. Candidates who appeared in the computer-based examination on December 19 and 20, 2024 can download the answer key from the official website of RRB. To download the answer key, candidates will need to log in using their registration number and date of birth. Along with the answer key, the RRBs have also opened the window to raise objections for those candidates who wish to challenge the answer key. The deadline to raise objection is on December 31, 2024 up to 11 am. The computer-based test for Technician 1 against CEN 02/2024 Technician was conducted from 19 December 2024 to 20 December 2024. Candidates who appeared in the CBT to view their question papers, responses and answer keys. A link will be provided on the websites of RRB, which will be active from December 26, 2024 to December 31, 2024. RRB will fill 9,144 technician posts through this recruitment. 1,092 are for Technician Grade 1 Signal and 8,052 are for Technician Grade 3. RRB Technician Grade 1 2024 exam. How to download the answer key from official website. Visit the official website of the RRB. Click on the link to download the answer key for Technician 1 under CEN 02/2024. Enter your login details and submit. The RRB Technician 1 answer key 2024 will displayed on the screen. Download your answer key and responses. For more other informations, candidates are advised to visit the official website.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com.
Thank you.